11th competitive test. In consequence of the death of his father, under whose will and testament he inherits considerable personal estate and real estate, he is not dependent upon his profession, full stop. People are already speculating as to when he will be made a King's Counsel, full stop. He has been nominated as a Justice of the Peace for Surrey, his father's county, full stop. He is the prospective candidate for a very large constituency in the north of England, and he is in great demand as a political speaker, full stop. There is no doubt that at the first opportunity he will be elected to represent the constituency in parliament, full stop. New para, according to the PDM chief, the hurdles in reaching an agreement with the International Monetary Fund IMF were removed, and the foreign reserves had also increased, full stop. He said there were issues with price hike, but after these developments in the financial situation, the prices of daily commodities would also drop, full stop. It depends upon the material and evidence against the accused, adding that the decision regarding which case should be referred to the military court has been done after a proper scrutiny of the material sent by the Judge Advocate General JAG branch, a legal wing of the military by the judge of the anti-terrorism court concerned, full stop. New para, I must however, point out that, since we initiated this policy, a state of national full employment has developed, which has decreased the pool of available labor and the stocks of raw materials, full stop. The rate, and indeed the possibility, of further industrial expansion will therefore, be difficult and slower, and the problem for the future will be how best to join our resources and labor supplies to meet the needs which may arise, full stop. Each higher gusted officer should, therefore, inspect the office of his immediate subordinate, and since the greatest impact on public is exercised by the working of the base, the frequency of inspection should increase progressively in descending order from the higher to the lower rungs in the line of authority.